Hello, Flavian from the Siders Academy. Today we are going to talk to you about foot preparation before a race or before a hike. Foot preparation is essential to limit the risk of inflammation, blisters and overheating. 80% of hikers or runners have experienced such problems. To do this, we will talk about foot tanning. Foot tanning is the preparation of the leather of the skin. We will use either a grandmother's recipe based on lemon juice in the morning and shea butter in the evening. It works very well, but it can be a bit cumbersome to go and get the different products. To address this, Siders has developed the anti-friction cream. So it's the same, we have citric acid, we have shea butter. The benefit of this cream is to have everything in one and to be able to use it very quickly and very effectively. You can apply this either daily if you have a physical job and are often standing, or a week before the race and on the day of the race. The second solution is that we will also have the massage rollers. Either this small one or the large one here, which is more for the legs. This massage roller will really help stimulate the different areas of the foot, preparing them for dynamism and action. It can limit any contraction pain, especially in the plantar fascia. So this is a real comfort solution before and after the race. Another important element before a long hike or run is to consider visiting a podiatrist to take care of your feet or simply to trim your nails properly. Be careful to leave a little bit of white and not to cut them too short to minimize the risk of injury. If you want to achieve maximum comfort and maximize your chances of succeeding in your trek or race, be sure to hydrate your foot, prepare it, toughen it, and also take care of it through massages. Feel free to check out our 2 other videos about foot care during the run, as well as after the run.